Come back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you a recipe. Anyway, it's just a simple little recipe which you can make at home. Seasoned chicken breast is amazing. Whether it be the sweet chili sauce on top of it. 30 minutes inside of the oven, cooked, done and dusted, guys. This gets served with either rice, newly potato, or salad. Enjoy the recipe, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Remember, you can donate to the YouTube channel. There's a link said PayPal. Can donate. We have a brand new studio coming up, guys, and remember you can follow me also and Facebook like page or Instagram, Twitter and MySpace. Thank you so much and see you next time. Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, right here I have 4 lovely pieces of chicken breasts, and basically what we're gonna do is simple. Do some nice lovely seasoned chicken breast oven bake. I just blend up some season. This right here is spring onion, garlic, white onion, and also a little bit of mixed herb. So basically what I'm gonna do is just simple. Just put a little bit upon it like this, not too much, just a little bit. And it just like that. Not too much. I don't want to be using too much because it's a little bit strong. Then we're gonna put some natural season. But how I'm gonna do this one, I'm gonna be cutting them really chunky, the white onion. Then we got some spring onion. That is just half a white onion. Just on top of it, just like that. A little bit of coarse pepper. Teaspoon of all-purpose season. And some chicken season. 1 teaspoon of chicken season. And some olive oil. And what you're gonna do, make sure you get on the gloves and just simply marinate it up like this. If you notice, I didn't use no salt on it because most of these season already have salt, guys, to be honest. So you're not gonna be needing any salt. What I'm gonna do is just pop a little bit of sweet chili sauce, just to bring in a flavor to it. Nice and lovely. Then get your oven tray. As I can see exactly what I'm doing right here, just put the rest of the seasoning on top of it to bring in the flavor straight into the chicken breast, guys. Beautiful. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna bake this inside of the oven for roughly 30 minutes, gas mark 7 or 8. If you're using a different oven, 130 65 or 175 is good for 30 minutes. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my channel. And that's just some seasoned chicken breast. Very easy without a bit of sweet chili sauce on it. Bringing some flavor to it, guys. Amazing recipe. So basically what's gonna happen now, all of these white onions are gonna be roasting with the chicken breast and bringing a lot of flavor inside of the chicken breast. Enjoy it. So as you can see, the way it's looking so lovely. But not only that, you can also marinate it for 24 hours and let it get soaked. But as you can see, the way it does looking so lovely and nice. That's a simple little recipe which you can do at home in your kitchen. Amazing recipe, guys. Very easy and simple. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys, but just take a good look at this lovely chicken breast right here. Seasoned chicken breast is amazing recipe. The color, everything does look fantastic, guys. It's just amazing. Why don't give it a try at home? And subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Simple little recipe like this you can make at home, guys. Seasoned chicken breast, you can serve it with rice or veg or salad. You can choose whether you like to serve it with. So anyway, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and we do work hard to find your recipe where you like to make at home. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.